A news story says that Samsung's cheaper version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will not support the S Pen. This is one of the differences we've heard a lot about. Samsung is reportedly planning to release a cheaper, entry-level version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 later this year. This information has come from reports that have been going around for a few weeks. Samsung hasn't said what price range it wants to go for, but we can now guess what the difference between the two types might be. ET News says that Samsung is going to stop helping the S Pen work with this cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6. This isn't just a software block, because the S Pen needs a specific kind of screen. By taking this feature away, Samsung saves money on hardware costs. The story goes on to say that Samsung is likely to make changes to other parts and performance as well. To save money, Samsung may use a less powerful chipset, offer less storage or memory, or use cheaper camera hardware, among other things. There is new information about the cheap Galaxy Z Fold 6 that says the phone's code name will be Q6A. 2 more code names were found for the standard Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6. But if this rumor is true, then the information we got before seems to be correct. We don't have any information on these new phones yet, but it's worth noting that the code names match the other phones. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.